for the invocation.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Ballroom of Okada, Manila is filled with visionaries and trailblazers who are redefining what it means to lead with purpose and make a difference. The awards we present tonight highlight the relentless commitment of individuals and organizations in setting the benchmark for excellence, innovation, and social impact. Here's a glimpse of the passion and purpose that make Asia's Modern Hero Awards truly special. Let's all watch.
Asia's Modern Hero Awards 2025 is more than a celebration. It is a tribute, a promise, a movement, a stage where ordinary lives reveal extraordinary legacies. This is where modern heroes are called by name, and tonight they are welcomed into the ever-growing circle of heroes.
Change and a source of inspiration to many. Cheers!
To all of our awardees and esteemed guests, another warm round of applause to the amazing people. Public service, heroism, and humanitarian advocate. Congratulations, Bems Paquito Enriquez Chan. We now award Visionary Educator in Business and Entrepreneurship.
Ano ka?
Nanginginig ako. Oh, alamig eh. Mas maraming big time dito kaya ninervous ako.